Hello guys, we can study about vernier caliper. This is a vernier caliper and what is meant by vernier caliper? What is the use of vernier caliper and what is the range of the vernier caliper? We can study step by step. This is a vernier caliper and the parts of vernier calipers are this one is fixed jaw and this is the fixed jaw, this is a movable jaw and these are nibs. It is used to check internal measurement. This is used to check outside measurement. Okay, this is a fixed jaw and this is a movable jaw and this is a beam and graduations are beam scale. This one is beam scale. Okay, this is a lock nut, this is a vernier, graduations are vernier scale, this is a main scale, this one is upside is having inch, this one is inches, fine adjustment having a fine adjustment screw, the lock nut, this is a depth bar, this is having a depth, it is used to check the steps and depth holes. This is made up of a stainless steel, it's a hardened. The vernier caliper accuracy is 0.02 mm. This accuracy is 0.02 mm and in this one inches also available, 0.001 inch. Okay, we can study about vernier caliper uses. The vernier caliper is a precision instrument. It is used to measure outside and inside and depth. Okay, the vernier caliper is also having a .02 mm accuracy. The vernier caliper are available in various ranges, various sizes, 0 to 50 mm and 225 mm, 900 mm and 1200 mm. The selection of the size depends upon vernier measurements to be taken. Vernier calipers are precision instrument and extreme care should be taken. It is extreme care should be taken of the vernier caliper. And vernier caliper, never use vernier caliper for any purposes other than measuring tools. And vernier caliper should be used only to measure the machined or filed surfaces. It is used to measure in machined or filed surfaces. They should be never be mixed with any other tools. Never should be used any other tools. Clean the instrument after use and store it in a box. This is a vernier caliper. Okay, this is a main scale division. We see about vernier caliper, we see about the graduations. Okay, in a vernier caliper, vernier calipers are available in different graduations and least counts. For reading measurement with the vernier caliper, the least count should be determined first. The least count of the caliper is sometimes marked on the vernier slide. Marked on the vernier slide. In vernier main scale, this one is main scale and this is a vernier scale. This is called as MSD and this is called as VSD, vernier scale division. This one is beam scale. This is vernier scale division, VSD, MSD. Okay. And the figure, they are shown in this one, the figure. Okay. The figure above shows the graduations of common type of vernier caliper with a least count of 0.02 mm. You are seeing here 0.02 mm least count. In this 50 division of the vernier scale, 50 division vernier scale occupying 49 divisions and 49 mm in main scale. Okay, this is a 50, 02, this one is 50, occupying 02, here is 50, 49. Okay, 49 occupying the 49. This is a reading. Okay, the hand shows 6. You can see here. The main scale 60 mm, the vernier scale is coinciding with the main scale is 28th division, value 28 into 0.02 equal to 0.56 mm. Total the reading is 60 plus 0.56, 60.56. This is a reading be shown in this one example. Okay, vernier caliper, these are all the classroom work. Okay, once again you can see vernier caliper. Vernier caliper is a precision measuring instrument. It is used to check the outside, inside and depth measurement. The reading of a vernier caliper is 0.02 mm accuracy. Thank you.